Tom was an enthusiastic and curious child, always eager to explore and learn new things. From a young age, he was fascinated by the world of computers. His discovery happened one afternoon when he watched his father work on a laptop. The blinking cursor, colorful icons, and endless possibilities of the digital realm captivated him. Determined to understand this new world, Tom started his learning journey with fervor. He spent hours reading books about basic computer functions and following online tutorials. The clatter of the keyboard and the gentle glow of the screen became his constant companions. Tom practiced tirelessly, coding simple programs and creating small digital drawings. Every completed project fueled his passion and strengthened his resolve. However, the path was not always smooth. Tom encountered numerous challenges, from frustrating coding errors to complex software problems. There were times when he felt defeated and thought about giving up. But his determination was unshakable. Tom learned to troubleshoot, sought help from online communities, and celebrated each small victory. With every obstacle overcome, his skills improved exponentially. Slowly but surely, Tom mastered more complex computer skills.